Henry? Henry!
Yes! Na, 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 na. Huh?
What did I just say, Henry?
School will be closed tomorrow, miss, so everyone can stay at home all day watching telly and eating sweets.
No! I said that tomorrow is sports day.
What?
Provided it doesn't rain, of course.
Sports day? No! Woo! Yicky, wicky, sticky, sacky, yicky, yacky, sticky water.
What's going on?
Woolly wonka, ducky, ducky, doo-dah.
Henry's doing a rain dance.
Hi, hi, hi!
I'm the sacrifice.
Woolly wonka,
Oh,
ducky,
no,
ducky,
you're
doo-dah.
not. You're going to bed. Both of you. Come on, hurry up. It's sports day tomorrow.
What if it rains? Oh, I hate sports day. It's pointless, and you have to wear shorts.
Breakfast ready.
And I never win anything.
Henry!
Achoo! I hate butterflies too.
Oh, I'm so proud of my little athlete. I just know you're going to win that egg and spoon trophy again.
Oh, poor Henry.
Oh, well, expect you'll live.
I don't think I can go to school today, Mum. I've got the most terrible tummy ache. I think I might have to go to hospital.
Oh, dear. I hope they won't need to operate.
Operate?
Henry!
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
Oh no! It's all true! It really is the scooter of doom!
It's all right. The coast's clear.
Where shall I put it?
Put it behind your ear. No one will know.
Scooter of Doom.
Let's go! Ah!
Oh, you poor wee laddie. Let me help you up. Come on, Henry.
Thank you, Ma Battle Axe. Let's go.
I think you forgot something, young man.
Psst! Brian! Brian, over here!
Henry, what is it?
I need your help.
Shh! All right then, but you'd better be quick. I've got to finish this book before the end of library time.
Why?
Well, so I can start another one, of course.
Really? That's weird.
Quiet in the stacks, please.
It's the scooter of doom.
The Scooter of Doom?
Yeah, I've got one.
Brian, I expect better of you.
Sorry, sir.
Well, I'll let you off just this once, Brian.
What do you mean? You've got the Scooter of Doom, Henry.
I need your help, Brian.
I said... Oh?
Are you sure this'll work, Brian?
It says here the only way to get rid of a scary scooter is to pass it on to someone else.
Well, let's hope someone else wants it. Someone's coming!
Please look after this scooter. Well, if no one else is looking after you.
Thanks, Brian. I owe you one.
Anytime, Henry.
Oh, like my new scooter, Henry?
What?
Yeah, I found it in the street. Lucky, eh?
But how? I mean, it works.
Of course it works. Well, once my dad took the stone out of the wheel, it worked. La 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 la.
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
Hang on! We're never going to get anywhere. Here, we'll use this. Whoever's holding it gets to speak. Who wants to go first? Obviously, this is a serious issue.
What are we going to do about it, Henry?
Money.
Well, could I use your bush pass, Bert? I don't know. Could I use this?
I don't know.
You're a genius, Bert.
He don't know. Oi, I know you're in there. I say, hello. I'm looking for the Purple Hand Gang. The Purple what? The Purple Hand Gang. Oh, what's the point? I'm coming down.
Bit odd.
Very odd if you ask me. Here, you don't think she's Ralph's girlfriend, do you?
Hope not.
I can feel a twinkling. I can hear a sound. I'm remembering all my happy songs to keep my spirits up. That's what the Best Boys Book of Daring Deeds suggests. Henry! I knew you'd come back for me!
Found it. There you go.
What's that, Henry?
Very fast purple pass.
Oh, right.
One for you. How do I know this isn't going to fall into enemy hands?
Oh, no, Lord, High Majesty. You can trust me. I will guard this with my life. Best boys' honour. Number gnomes' honour.
Yeah.
You can rely on me, your #1 chief secretary, to never let you down.
Let's go find the others.
And to make sure that this purple pass, this pass of purpleness, which represents so much in my life, will never, ever, ever fall into enemy hands. Oh, wait for me. Wait for me!
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
Henry! Don't be horrid, Henry. You haven't forgotten about tomorrow, have you?
No, Dad, I haven't forgotten about tomorrow.
Tomorrow? What's happening tomorrow? Well, apart from it being tomorrow, of course.
It's Mother's Day. You haven't forgotten to get Mum a present, have you?
No, Dad, I haven't forgotten to get Mum a present.
Henry, did you forget?
I can't remember.
Well, try. Does £10 ring any bells? It's Mother's Day next Sunday, so I want you to get Mum something nice. Here's £10. Spend it wisely.
Oh, I will, Dad. I will. It's amazing how many sweets you can get for £10.
Henry? Henry? Are you listening to me?
Yes, Dad. What did you say?
Henry!
Oh, Peter, my little bunnykins, that is so sweet.
Happy Mummy's Day, Mummy!
Henry?
Back in a minute. Present for Mum. Present for Mum. How about this? No, she knows where this comes from.
Henry?
Think. Must think. Washing up liquid? No. Teaspoon? No. Rubber glove? No.
Henry? Henry, where is Mum's present? Ah, so you did manage to get Mum a present.
Well,
A special spa day.
Huh?
Create your very own special spa day in the comfort of your own home. Well, Henry, I have to say, I'm impressed.
You are?
Yes, I am. It's a very good idea. And I know the perfect day for you to do it.
You do?
Yes, you can do it tomorrow while Peter and I go to Tingley Toothbrush's father and son day.
I can?
Yes, you can, Henry.
I'm doing a special spa day for Mum tomorrow. No!
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
Oh, fabulous flower with petals so pinky could never be said to be stinky. So strong towards the sun you'll grow, unless we have unseasonal snow.
Quiet, smelly, nappy baby. Some of us are trying to sleep.
You know what they say, Henry. The early bird catches the worm.
You're the worm, and I'm the bird. So if you don't stop that stupid poetry right now, I'll be coming down and catching you.
But I'm just trying to...
No poetry. Poetry should be banned. Stop it now!
But it's not poetry.
No singing, no poetry, no words, nothing!
But...
Your lips are moving. Nothing! Just what do you think you're doing? Talk to me, droopy pants. And what's that?
It's my new plant. Woohoo! Miss Lovely gave it to me.
Why?
We're making our plants grow up to be happy plants by playing music and singing to them.
What's that for?
Feeding time. Growing plants need to be fed regularly.
So what are you feeding it?
I have some very nutritious plant food.
But what if it wants a sandwich? I'm not reading you poetry. Hey, would you like to see the latest issue of Kung Fu Cockroach? Want one? Ah, we need music. It's quality time.
What are you doing?
I think your plant likes me.
Of course it does. You've got the same IQ.
Get lost, farty features.
Oh, look. Henry's finally got a friend. Just a pity it's a vegetable.
Actually, it's not a vegetable. Its Latin name is...
Oh, up early, boys. Henry, housework today, remember?
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
Mum says it's time to get up. away. You will never read another Gross Class Zero comic.
Never watch another TV programme?
I think she means it, Henry.
Right, all right. And you'll never, ever listen to the Killer Boy Rats again. What is it now?
Mum says she can't find her mobile phone.
Oh, again?
Yuck.
Where is it, Henry? Was what? My mobile. Tried the fridge? Oh, don't be horrid, Henry.
Morning, Henry.
Morning. Don't be horrid, Henry. Peter's eaten all the sweet tweets. Really? That box was only opened yesterday.
You can have some of mine, Henry.
No thanks, worm. Too much milk.
Suit yourself.
This is all your fault, smelly nappy baby.
Why is it my fault?
Because you went shopping with Mum.
Yes, because I'm a helpful...
Worm?
No,
Look what I found. Oh, cool. Is that my phone you've got there? Oh, yes. Oops. Thank you, Henry. I think. I'm leaving right now. Phew.
Well then, who wants cereal?
Me! Oh, after you, Henry.
There's a good boy, Peter. Now, where did I put my tie?
Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking another typical morning in the Henry household. And you'd be right. It is another typical morning in the Henry household. That's got me thinking. I present to you my parents. It's fair to say that my parents are the reason why my life just isn't fair. Of course, there's the wormy woman, and old Brody Gray next door, and school, and teachers, and rude relatives, and dogs that wee on your leg, and, well, a whole load of things that mean my life isn't fair.
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
That's a galactic goo shooter, all right. Merry Christmas, Steve. Rats. For Steve, for Steve, for Steve, for Steve, for Steve, for Steve, for me. Socks? That's not fair. Oops. What? I'm doing Steve a favour. He definitely needs socks more than I do. Merry Christmas! Time to open the presents!
Hey!
Wait! Breakfast first!
Okay, let's open the presents.
Hooray!
Here, this one's for you.
Oh, for Henry?
Fax machine? This is supposed to be a galactic goo shooter.
That's odd. I got that fax for your dad.
What's this? A joke?
And I got that for you.
Cello music. But I don't play the cello.
Oh, a dried flower arrangement. Just what I always wanted.
Wasn't that for Aunt Ruby?
What's this?
Yes! I got a Boom Boom Basher.
Hey, that's not fair. I wanted one of those.
Someone must have switched the labels.
Do you think I wanted a fax machine?
The labels have been switched, Henry. Can you tell us how that happened?
No, I really can't.
Then who did it?
Santa! Santa must have got all muddled up.
Yes, it must have been Santa.
But why would Santa give us the wrong presents?
I suppose Santa must have been so busy he mixed them all up.
Oh, silly Santa.
Well, we'll just have to be Santa's helpers and work out whose present is whose.
Oh, but I love my presents.
I suppose I could learn to play the cello.
I could teach you, Aunt Ruby.
Here, Henry, you have this thing.
Wow, thanks, Mum.
Hey, that's mine.
That's enough, Steve. You can share my Boom Boom Basher.
Okay, then. But I get first go. Yeah! Go, Boom Boom Basher!
Go, go, go! Take that!
Don't be horrid, Henry!
Merry Christmas, everybody!
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
Ow! I need the toilet!
Why didn't you go when we came in?
I didn't need to go then. I need to go now.
Well, hurry up. Henry?
Coming!
Henry, we're waiting.
Just washing my hands. Eureka! That's it! The perfect haircut coming up.
About time.
Your hair looks different, Henry. It looks longer.
It's probably grown. Hair grows all the time. Don't you know that, nincompoop?
But you only went to the toilet.
Silence, worm.
Just sit down, Henry. Yeah, ready?
Ready.
There, Henry. Doesn't that look smarter?
Oh, yes. Much smarter.
Mine looks smart too, doesn't it, Dad?
Yes, it does, Peter. Well, that turned out all right in the end, didn't it?
Can I have an ice cream now?
I don't see why not. There. Get one for Peter, too.
Yes! Thanks, Dad.
Henry!
Oops.
Henry!
You are going to have a haircut.
Whether you like it or not.
No! I'm not going back there!
Well, luckily for you, you don't have to. You remember Rebecca, don't you, Henry? She's training to be a hairdresser.
What?